Okay, so this is a tutorial on an error that occurs when you're using Oracle VirtualBox to use the virtual machine tool, right? Okay, so this is what happened, right? I opened up the program, Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, okay? And then I added a virtual machine here, set up the memory, everything was all set, right? So now I'm ready to put my operating system in, and I'm running Ubuntu 20.04.1, right? Okay, so first thing we gotta go into settings. Okay, and this is after I already named it, and then it automatically, when you're typing in the name here, the system knows what operating system you're trying to use. So it gets Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit, which is correct. Okay, so this error I'm talking about is when you go into here. This is the ISO file for Ubuntu that I downloaded. Okay, so this will be empty when you're trying to load the ISO file in, and then you have to go over here and select it. You find where the disk file is, wherever you saved it, and just load it. And then you click OK. This one works fine because I fixed it. But before, I got this error here. Failed to save the settings of the virtual machine, Ubuntu, to right here. See this? Ubuntu 20.04.1.vbox. And here's the error. Runtime error opening Ubuntu 20.04.1.vbox-tmp for overwriting. Right here, this is important. Access denied. So I tried to look up this error code online to see if anyone had any similar errors and solutions for this. But this error code is kind of general. This was what I didn't see other people talking about, access denied. So to fix this specific error where it says access denied and it's this error code, this is what you have to do. Find the file that it's trying to open. See, it's trying to open up this file here. Okay? That's what it says in the error code. Runtime error opening Ubuntu 20.04.1 VBox TMP. So what you need to do is go to Properties, Security, and under Everyone, and also System and Administrators, you want them all to have the same permissions. So in my case, this error happened because I didn't give everyone full control to modify, read, and execute, read, write. Now it has full control. If your groups don't have full control, then the system can't run this ISO file. So just click it, hit edit, and make sure everything's allowed, then hit OK. Then go back to your virtual machine, load it in, and then start it. And it runs right up. See, I haven't installed Ubuntu on here yet, so this is the initial screen. But here it goes. I hope this video helped you. Thank you. Have a good night.